feet together, legs extended, spine straight. Bend your right knee and bring the sole of your right foot close to the left thigh. Inhale. Raise the arms up. Exhale. Bend forward from the hips, chin moving towards the toes. Hold the right wrist in front of the feet or place your hands on your legs or wherever they reach without forcing. Place your head to the knee or shin. Long exhalations. Stretch the arms out. Inhale. Come up to the sitting position. Exhale. Lower the arms. Repeat with the other leg. Bend your left knee and continue. Inhale. Raise the arms up. Exhale as you bend at the hips. Stretch the spine forward, reaching towards the legs. Feel the stretch in the back of the extended leg. Deepen the stretch as you exhale, and as you inhale, lengthen through the spine. Stretch the arms out. Inhale, come up to the sitting position. Exhale, lower the arms.